So to fix the mark sheet, on top here there should be an enable editing button. If you open it the first time, click that so that the spreadsheet becomes editable. And then go to, well, first obviously add your names in here, and then go to sheet 1. And then you need to unprotect the sheet so you can work with these. So I'm going to go to review over here. I'm going to unprotect the sheet and I'm going to type in this password. Okay, keep this password top secret. Now you can see my sheet is available. I'm going to click on here and equals cover A3. That is the first child. So if that's what an A3, make it that. Then I'm going to unhide all of this. Then I'm going to click over here, equals cover A3. I'm going to click on the green dot and I'm going to drag it all the way down to the bottom. And the name should pull through from the other list, from the original list. And at the bottom there should be A31, which it is. And if you need to do this, you can do this one as well. And drag it down up to student. So that is the number 1 done. Then click on the next one, which is the percentage. And it's the same thing. I'm going to unprotect my sheet. I'm going to put that password in again. Okay, that's this password. Again, confirm A3, that's correct. Drag down on the side, on the row headings here. Right click unhide so I can see everything. Click on this one, drag it all the way down to number 31. Check your bottom one, A31 is correct. Click on here, drag it down. So now your mark sheet is fixed. Okay. You also need to go right click on this little green arrow here and go to the data tab. And then confirm that all your teachers are here and all the subjects are here. I'm just going to add in set Swana here. And I'm going to select all of these. And I'm going to go to my home. And I'm going to sort and filter. Sorry, let's click all that. Sort and filter A to Z. And then drag here. Do not expand, please. Otherwise you're going to resort all of these things. So continue with the current selection. That means you're only going to sort this column and say sort. Now everything's sorted alphabetically. Right click there on that green arrow, go back to cover sheet. Okay, and then here you need to select your subject, which I've just added in, set Swana, grade 4, that's correct. And then these are the teachers that teach the classes. Okay, that should do it. Let's have a look one more time. Okay, that's correct. Remember, there's no assessment showing because nothing has been entered yet. So go to the cover sheet, type in test assessment 1. We'll grab a few of those. And we'll go to 1, and now they'll be available. Okay, let's just set those back.